YouTube, what's good? It's Bryan Keith, and today I'll be talking about the Fringer adapter, the Nikon, the Fuji adapter, the FR-FTX1 adapter. It's a crazy name, ridiculous. This adapter allows you to connect your Nikon F mount lenses to the Fuji X-mount. In the past, companies would only create dummy adapters. You know, the adapters that allow you to put your lens onto the camera body but leave you the manual focus. If you're like me and you've been shooting Nikon pretty much your entire photography, videography career, then this new adapter should excite you. Man, we get the autofocus. You can say goodbye to the dummy adapters. As soon as this adapter was released, I bought it. They made their Canon version, the EF Pro 2 or something like that, and I've seen countless people using their Fuji X-T3, X-T4 with their Sigma 18-35, and since I own that lens, Nikon mount, I have been waiting for this company to come out with the equivalent for Nikon users. So once it was released, it was in my cart and it was to me within a week. I've been using this adapter for a few weeks now, and I must say I'm loving it. Now we're gonna get into the unboxing. Let's get it. So this Fringer adapter is made up of 100% metal and brass. It's rugged, it's sturdy, and it feels good in your hand. 1/4-20 tripod mount. This comes in handy for heavier lenses, such as the Sigma 18-35. This is so you don't distress the front of your camera mount. It comes in handy and it's definitely clutch. I like that they put the rubber over the USB door to protect the port. Using this Fringer adapter, you're going to get phase detect autofocus. You have face and eye detection autofocus. Your lenses that have stabilization will be supported. You have full EXIF lens data. This adapter even supports Ibis. Yeah, so to conclude this video, like I said at the beginning, if you're like me and you've been shooting Nikon forever and you have a whole bunch of lenses and you also own a Fuji camera body, man, this is for you. This adapter is for you. It's gonna save you a lot of money. Like I said, I purchased mine as soon as it was released and I've been using it for a few weeks. And I'm gonna leave you guys with some clips that I've shot with this adapter and some photos. Thank you guys for watching. If you could, do me a favor and like the video, subscribe to the channel. As always, it's greatly appreciated, and I'll see you in the next one. It's Bryan Keith. Peace.